Good morning, students. So last we completed chapter number 3. So hence we move on to chapter number 4, that is food and health. Now food, as we all know, is very important for us. We cannot survive without food. Our body is like a machine which requires energy, and this energy is provided to our body through the food that we eat. Okay, so it is very important that the quality of food that you eat, isn't it? See, your body is working on the energy that is provided by the food, but if suppose you don't eat the correct quality, the correct quantity of food, obviously the energy level would go high or low, and it will not be beneficial for your body. Anything is good in moderation. कुछ भी ज़्यादा या कुछ भी कम अच्छा नहीं होता है कभी. Okay, so for this let's learn what is our food comprising of. Why is it very important to know about the food we eat, isn't it? So let's see. In the earlier classes last year I taught you about the components of food, which are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and roughage and water. Now what are all these? They are the components. They are the type of nutrients in your food. Nutrients means अलग अलग तरह के food के अंदर होने वाले चीज़ें. Okay, so these are together called as nutrients, or they are also called components of the food. They are comprising your food. They are part of your food. Okay, so your food is made up of all these. Okay, so let's learn one by one about all these. Carbohydrates first. Carbohydrates are the energy giving food. So whatever your body performs needs energy, and this energy is given by the carbohydrates which are present in your food. Okay, so obviously we should eat carbohydrates more because they are giving energy. So these carbohydrates are the energy giving food. They are in the form of sugar and starch mostly. Sugar, you know, sweet. So sweet tasting things are carbohydrates, and they are called as sugars. Okay, it is a form of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates again are of different types, different kinds. Okay, so these carbohydrates are there in different types obviously, but we don't go in detail for that. We see only two types here, that is starch and the sugar. If you remember, starch is also the food of the plants, isn't it? Carbohydrate produced is starch in the form of starch. So the starch, sugar, they are all types of carbohydrates that they are there in our food. Okay, they give us energy. Also, these carbohydrates are present in foodstuffs like rice, wheat, honey, sugar, potato. So if you are eating all these things, you get a lot of energy. You get the carbohydrates which your body requires. Obviously it depends on how much you are working, how much you use up the energy. So everyone does not require the same amount of carbohydrate or same amount of energy. Your mummy must be doing so many things at home, है ना? She performs all the house chores, or she may also go to office for a job. So she is working continuously from day to night. Your daddy, he goes to office, comes back in the evening, है ना? Working hard. So they will be requiring a different type of or a different quantity of energy rather than you. You are still small, but you are still growing, and you are very active, isn't it? You cannot sit straight. Even though you are sitting and watching television, you will continuously blabber, you will continuously say something, you are continuously jumping up and down, you are playing outside. So you require than your parents, even though they are doing more work from you, है ना, they are doing a lot of work in the day, but you children are continuously doing activities, bodily exercise, and so you also require a lot more energy. Okay. So carbohydrates, as I told you, they are in the form of sugar and starch mostly. So the sweet tasting things are the sugars, and the not too tasty, or you can say not having much taste, like the potato, है ना, they are starch. Okay, so those are carbohydrates. Next is proteins. Proteins are very, very important. Why? Because they are the body building foods. Body building food matlab they don't give energy to your body. What they do is they help the body to grow. Your body parts, your body organs are made up from proteins. So since you are small and still growing up, so what do you require? More proteins, isn't it? The proteins will provide the building food for your body. So your body, if it doesn't have a lot of protein, your body will not grow. Getting me? So your body requires proteins in order to grow, in order to develop. Okay, so proteins are helpful in the growth and repair of the tissue. Also they help in the repairing of the damaged tissue. If you are hurt, suppose, then who will build up the skin again? The proteins are required. So it is required for growth and your building up of or repairing of tissue of flesh. Okay. They also help in building muscles. Your muscles are also made up of proteins. So muscles बनाने के लिए, है ना, healthy बनने के लिए, to grow you need proteins. Groundnut, beans, pulses, fish, eggs, milk, cheese and curd are some types of protein. So if you include all these things in your diet, you get the required amount of protein for your body, and so your body will grow properly. Okay, so it also depends on your intake of proteins, that how much height you will have, how much strong you will become. Okay, so that is why food is very important. Okay, next is fats. Now fats are again energy giving food, but these energy giving food are a bit what you can say obstructive or as well. If you eat lot of fats, they get stored in your body because you are not using that much energy, and they give a lot of energy. So if these things are not used, what happens? They get stored in your body under your skin, and so you become fat. As the name suggests, fats make you fat. So then what will happen? These fats will not let the internal organs work properly, and so your body will start getting slow. You will not be able to move freely. You will not be able to walk even. Okay, so जो बहुत मोटे हैं उनको चलना भी नहीं आता है, isn't it? You must have seen some videos. So those people, those are called obese people. So these obese people, they cannot even move. So that is why fats are not to be eaten in huge quantity. They are important, but they are required in very less quantity. So you should put very less oil and ghee in your food. Okay. So fats are providing energy. Butter, oil, ghee and nuts are the rich sources of fats. Okay, so have fats but in less amount. Vitamins, again, they are also very important, but they don't give energy, they don't build up your body also. They are protective foods. They protect your body. How? See, when some when some germs enter your body has a mechanism to fight with that germ. Okay, so that mechanism is known as immunity system. So immunity system you must have heard right now, isn't it? Corona की वजह से everyone is talking about immunity. So what is that immunity? It is the strength of your body to fight with with the germs, the bacteria, the viruses. Okay, so these vitamins and minerals are very important in building the immunity of your body.